everybody, it's Nichole.lavigne, your Las Vegas real estate resource. I am so excited to present to you today the most unique property in Las Vegas. This is 5865 Edna Avenue. We are sitting on a half-acre estate luxury lot, completely walled in like a compound with an electric gate and an over 4,200 square foot single-story sprawling floor plan. Luxury resort pool, hot tub, built-in barbecue, courtyards, and every amenity you could possibly want in a resort home. Come take a look. This home is rich in Las Vegas history, being built in 1961, 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and a sunroom that could easily be converted to a 5th bedroom.